Playful play! Look around you, take a peek. Shapes are hiding in every street. Circle, square, triangle too. Let's find them all, me and you.
The circle rolls, it has no end, like the sun or a spinning friend. Wheels on bikes, cookies so round, a pizza moon up high is found.
Circle, circle, turn around. Find the shape wherever you're found.
The square stands strong with four sides equal. Windows, blocks, and books are sequel. Lunchboxes, cushions, boxes. Two squares make everything look true.
Oh, square, square, stand so wide. Four sides equal side by side.
The triangle has three sides, like a tent or mountain slides. Ice cream cone or a pyramid. Triangles point up high. Oh, what a big
Tall triangle, triangle, reach so high. Called three sides pointing to the sky.
The rectangle stretches long. Doors and tables both feel strong. TV screens and picture frames. Rectangles come with different names.
Rectangle, rectangle, tall or small. You can find them in the mall.
And don't forget the star, shining bright from near or far. 5 points glowing in the night, twinkling shapes that give us light.
Star, star, shining through. I can see your points, how about you? Shapes are everywhere, big and small. In your home, out in the hall. Look around and you will see. Shapes are part of you and me. Circle, square, triangle too. They're all around, let's find them true.
So next time you go outside, take a look, stay open-eyed. From circles to stars,